Hi guys, look at this question. The question is x upon x plus 1 whole square plus x upon x minus 1 whole square is equals to 12, and we have to find the values of x. Let's see how do we proceed in this question. Now let's assume that this x upon x plus 1 is a and x upon x minus 1 is b. This is what we have assumed. Now just put this assumption in our equation. So we have a square plus b square is equals to 12. Now remember the algebraic identity, that is a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab, or you can write this as a square plus b square plus 2ab is equals to a plus b whole square. Now shift this a plus b over there. So you get a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Now in place of a square plus b square you can write a plus b whole square minus 2ab is equals to 12. Now as we assumed that a is x upon x plus 1 and b is x upon x minus 1. So we'll put this in the equation. In place of a, it's x upon x plus 1 plus x upon x minus 1 whole square minus 2 into x upon x plus 1 into x upon x minus 1 is equals to 12. Now taking LCM of these two terms, so we get x plus 1 into x minus 1 in the LCM. Here we get x into x minus 1 plus x into x plus 1 whole square minus 2. Here x into x makes x square, and in the denominator you get x square minus 1 is equals to 12. Now simplifying this, you get here x square minus x plus x square plus x upon x square minus 1, and here x is its whole square minus 2x square upon x square minus 1 is equals to 12. Further, you can see that this x and this x gets cancelled. So we have x square and x square, it makes 2x square upon x square minus 1 whole square minus 2x square upon x square minus 1 is equals to 12. Now let's assume that y is equals to 2x square upon x square minus 1. Now substituting this, you get y square minus y is equals to 12. Further, you can write this as y square minus y. Shift this 12 on the left hand side, minus 12 is equals to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation, so we can find its factors by just breaking the middle term. So we can just break this y as minus 4y plus 3y minus 12 is equals to 0. Now out of these two terms, taking y common, so here we have y minus 4 plus 3 common, y minus 4 is equals to 0. In these two terms, y minus 4 is common, so here we have y plus 3 is equals to 0. Now this implies y minus 4 is equals to 0, and here we have y plus 3 is equals to 0. Further, you can write this as y is equals to 4, and here y is equals to minus 3. Now let's call this as case number 1, and here this is called case number 2. In case number 1, since we have assumed that y is equals to 2x square upon x square minus 1, so replacing this, you get here 2x square upon x square minus 1 is equals to 4. Now just cross multiply. So you get here 2x square is equals to 4 times x square minus 1. Further, you can write this as 2x square is equals to 4x square minus 4. Further, just bring this 4x square on the left hand side. You get here minus 2x square is equals to minus 4. Now dividing by minus 2 on both sides. So you get here this thing, this cancel, minus minus makes plus, x square, this minus and minus makes plus, and this 2 and 2. So you get x square is equals to 2. Now in order to find the value of x, just take square root on both sides. So you get x is equals to plus minus under root 2. So these are the two solutions for x. Now let's move on to case number 2. According to case number 2, y is equals to minus 3. Since y is equals to 2x square upon x square minus 1. So you can write this as 2x square upon x square minus 1 is equals to minus 3. This is 2x square minus 3 into x square minus 1. Further you can write 2x square minus 3x square plus 3. Move this 3x square on the left hand side. Here you get 5x square is equals to 3. Now divide by 5 on both sides. This 5 gets cancelled. So we have x square is equals to 3 upon 5. Now in order to find the values of x, just take square root on both sides. So we get x is equals to plus minus under root 3 upon 5. These are the other two solutions of x. Now let's write all the solutions of x here. x1 is equals to under root 2. x2 is equals to minus under root 2. x3 is equals to under root 3 upon 5. And x4 is equals to minus under root 3 upon 5. And these are the four solutions of this equation. I hope you understand it, and if you like it, kindly subscribe my channel.